As always, Bangkok keeps constructing, and as long as they keep constructing, I'll keep filming. Good evening. I'm here around Asok Junction, and I just noticed that we're having a very nice sunset, so I wanted to film that. And I'm gonna walk now from Asok BTS towards Nana BTS and use the Skywalk Sky Bridge, just to give you guys an update. It's the second day of the Chinese New Year, so there is still some Chinese New Year's decorations. Welcome to the city. These are the typical city noises, right? Yeah, I just came home and I noticed the sun coming through here, and that inspired me to make a small video of a walk here. It's Saturday evening. It's almost 6 o'clock. Not too much traffic. This is also because it's part of a holiday. Terminal 21 in its full glory, together with the Ash and Asok in the back there. And this is Asok Monterey Road. They recently fixed this this part of the intersection here. People might know there used to be all kinds of little bushes and trees over there, but they cleaned it, put some new pavement in there. As always, Bangkok keeps constructing, and as long as they keep constructing, I'll keep filming. Yeah, yesterday we did a nice live stream in Chinatown. I was very happy about that. It looked really cool. Yeah, what I noticed with the live streams and what I really like is that there is a, yeah, let's say a core of people that follow, and yeah, you could call them the true global travel mates. Yeah, everywhere you have the red lanterns for the Chinese New Year. For a very long time, this entrance here, for example, from the Terminal 21 was closed. But everything is open again, and let's hope that soon we're gonna be able to have a drink again in the restaurants, and that all the bars might open again. It still didn't happen. I talked with some people in Hua Hin, where everything is open, and also in Pattaya everything is open, but unfortunately in Bangkok not yet. We have to have a little bit more patience. Yeah, so yesterday was the Chinese New Year, and the city will now be preparing for the Thai New Year, for the Songkran. I'm not sure how that's gonna be. I mean, if there's gonna be any celebrations, I'm sure it's gonna be a lot less than normal. But yeah, let's wait for what the government has to say about that. So here in front we have the entrance to Soy 19, and this is the El Gaucho Argentinian Steakhouse and the Terminal 21 mall still. No more Christmas tree. Here the Westin Hotel. And here you have a bit better view of the terminal. Quite a bit of traffic, but not as much as normal, obviously. But I've been saying that already for the last couple of months. Here the Robinson. Yeah, this part of the Skywalk everybody for sure knows, but I think many people that came here, let's see if I can catch the train in the mirror at the Times Square. Yeah, here they broke down all these little shop houses. This is across the street from the McDonald's and the Robinson. So they are going to be constructing something new here as well, for sure. Still a lot of projects going on. Yeah, here to the left also a construction plot. There used to be, oh my god, there was, I think Insanity was here, and there was the V8 diner, and here on the corner there was a very nice local restaurant where they were just cooking in front of you. But that's quite a while ago. Here to the right, you have the Korean Information Center. Yeah, this used to be just a normal bridge, but now it's integrated into the Skywalk. Here you have the entrance to Sukhumvit Soy 15. That restaurant on the corner is still there. But you know, all these little buildings, you can expect them to be removed at some point. Hey! Here you have the Koreatown. I made a video about that not so long ago. Yeah, so it's Saturday evening around 6 o'clock, and as you can see, it's not very busy. And this is the entrance to Sofitel. there, just next to it, you have the Hyatt Regency. Okay, I'm gonna follow here on the left side. Yeah, the Skywalk almost connects Asok with Nana, but there's just a very small part missing. You have to go to street level. So this is the Sukhumvit garden, and yeah, this is an interesting. So here used to be the Artbox, but as you can see, it's completely cleared out, and it's been, yeah, it looks like a bit of a park again, but not too much. Yeah, it's really a shame that the whole night market disappeared. But yeah. Yeah, and it's also a shame because the park never opened again. So it used to be a nice green park, but now, yeah, it's a bit grayish. Yeah, of course, this is not the first time that I make a video walking from Asok to Nana or the other way around, but I realized that it's already been a couple of months ago, and the whole idea of my channel is to keep the people updated about Bangkok. So I thought it was time again to make a video, and it's also, I think it's a nice time lapse, so you can see how it was a couple of months ago. Just imagine, it's been almost a year now since the whole COVID thing started, and also about a year when I started making my first videos again here for Global Travel Mate. Yeah, it's crazy. And let's just hope that now with this new Chinese New Year, the year of the ox, let's hope that it's all gonna be a little bit more positive. And it would be nice if Bangkok could, not only Bangkok, but the whole world could travel and could invite and see tourists again. So I'm gonna take you up to the last part of the Skywalk towards Nana. I will upload this one today, so it will feel almost like a live stream, but then more organized. Yeah, here you have Soy 11/1. The height building in front. And here to the left, Soy 8. Yeah, so basically anybody who has a restaurant license can stay open, because they next to food, you know, they can make food, so they can stay open but cannot sell alcohol. But anybody who has a bar is basically forced to stay closed. Sukhumvit Soy 11. Okay, so we're getting now to the Nana station. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe and press the like button. And I hope to see you guys in my next